Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 9th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia, Bitcoin, gold, silver, blah, blah, blah. From a technical analysis perspective, my goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $9.54, up 4.06%, closed at 244.40. Post market, we seem to be up by a further 48 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Tesla is really strong. We are really going outside of the bullish channel. This is the bullish channel. We should be zigzagging into it, but now we are going faster into it. This wave is very strong. This is the current steepness that we are in right now. Look at this, very, very steep. It won't last for a long time. It never lasts a long time when it's super steep like this, but boy, is it working. We have broken above 238.11, which is a resistance that we hit in November of last year. We just blazed through it. This is a red candle, of course. It would be better if it was a green candle. It would look more like a frank move. But we had a gap also at the same time. We had a gap, and when we have a gap, the stock is moving just a little bit too fast. At the same time, I don't hate to have a red candle because this means that there is some kind of a pullback hidden into this at the same time. And pullbacks are healthy because it's rare that we can have 50 green candles in a row. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we had some resistance at 241.27, and basically we opened above that during the first hour, and then we caved back in, and we are slowly touching that support right here. And of course, all of the indicators are super bullish on the 1 hour chart. And if we go back to the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. Stochastic at 90. Stochastic at 90 is super strong. RSI has been overbought for a while. It's now at 85, and the overbought zone starts at 70. Look at DMI. DMI extremely high. With this new bullish channel, we should be expecting some slowdown. If we continue at around 272 to 275, we could be expecting a slowdown a little bit here, and then we could be pausing at some point. It would be nice if we could break 259.58. This was some recent support, a very important support right here. It would be nice if we broke that and then use that as support and then pause down a little bit for a while. Of course, if it continues, it's still good too. But if it has to pause, it would be nice if it was at 259.58. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So now we have the White House throw some cold water on Tesla's NACS victory. So we learned recently that Ford was going to adopt Tesla's charging connector. GM also followed suit, but now the government does not want that to be the case. So the White House decided to rain on Tesla's victory parade for its connectors. The government still wants some CCS connectors to be included in order to get funding. Here is the White House spokesperson. Earlier this year, we developed minimum standards to ensure publicly funded EV charging is accessible, reliable, affordable, and we required interoperability to promote competition. Those standards give flexibility of adding both CCS and NACS as long as drivers can count on a minimum of CCS. Yeah, but okay, this is nice. The CCS, you can just use an adapter and then it should be fine. I don't know what is the matter here exactly. Let's take a look at Palantir. So Palantir, this is a red day today. So we are down 17 cents, 1.12%, close at 15.02. If we look at the candle itself, we are still above $15, barely above $15. And yes, it's a red candle, but we are making a higher low, also making a higher high. So we are now pretty much right smack on that middle of the channel. We could still be having a couple more days, 3-4 days until we reach support. And then we are going to have to see if we can be able to bounce on this. But this is a very healthy pause after this big move up. Nothing's bad. And even having this candle with a higher low, I find it extremely healthy. Nvidia looks like it wants to break our downward resistance. Could not really break it. We are up $2.6, 0.68%, closed at 387.70. We are still in this big congestion zone, and there's another small one right here. The big one is right here. But yeah, nothing new here. This is just this is almost just noise. In terms of the VIX is pausing a little bit, just a sideways day. After this big move down, we can let it do. QQQ is making a little bit of a top. This is the fourth day. We are topping at 357.63 right here. This will make it another congestion zone. But stochastic is great, so this is still part of a bullish move. Dow Jones inching higher and higher with a great stochastic. Next up is 34,690. S&P 500 has just touched 43.24 for SPX. Look at this perfection. It touched this. It might be pausing a little bit. Nasdaq Composite is still maintaining itself above 13,187. This break, it looks like it really is holding well. So physical gold is in a small congestion zone between 1508 and 1541. There's no stochastics. The move up impulse is not there yet. Okay, silver, we are starting to talk. So silver broke our downward resistance right here. We broke it yesterday too. Now we have stochastic over 60. We have stochastic at 66. So now we have enough force to continue. I would still wait to break 841 to be sure that this is really a move that will last a little bit. So that's the next milestone. Bitcoin, just a sideways day, no statistics, so no bullish impulse yet. Ripple is going great. We have a green candle and we are trying to hug back this bullish channel resistance. Ripple is really great. I'm going to get into it once we break 0.548. And the US dollar is still stuck in a congestion zone. And there is a company I want to talk to you about. I just bought some stock, a couple of days ago in this company. So this is a company in Canada. They are making silicon anodes and they have a very specific process you can watch on their website. It seems to be very interesting. So they are not making money yet, but yes, I have invested a little bit of money into this. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.